Click on OK. Today concept name is property file. Today concept name is property file. What is property file? Today concept name is property file. What is property file? Not only using Xpath, we can take other properties also. Not only using Xpath, we can take other properties also. All the properties we will keep in an file, in one file. Not only using Xpath, we can take other properties also. All the properties we will keep in one file. Using that properties, Selenium will identify the web elements. Not only using Xpath, yesterday we discussed only Xpath concept. Today concept is property file concept. Not only using Xpath, we can take other properties also. All the properties we will keep in one file. Using that property, Selenium will identify the web elements. Okay. So we will attach that file with main test. Then only we can it can identify the web elements. Property file. Not only using Xpath. Only miss. Not only using Xpath, we can take other properties also. Not only using Xpath, we can take other properties also. Like name, comma, ID, comma, value. There are two ways. One way, first one, directly we can give the properties in main test. Directly we can give the properties in main test. Second way, property file creation. What is property file creation? All the properties we will keep in one file. That file path we will attach with main test. Using that information, Selenium, Webdriver will identify the web elements. So all the properties we will keep in one file. That file path we will attach with the main test. Using that information, Selenium Webdriver will identify the web elements. So today concept is property file. Direct, there are two ways. Not only using Xpath, we can take the other properties also. We can use other properties also, or we can take other properties also. There are two ways. One is first way. Directly we can give the properties in main test. Second way, property file creation. Second way, property file creation. All the properties we will keep in and one file. That file path we will attach with main test. Using that information, Selenium WebDriver will identify the web elements. Right. How we can do, we will discuss. This is the yesterday session. So Facebook WebDriver WD equal new Firefox driver wd.get_http facebook.com wd.find_element. By Xpath I am giving email and send key. I am giving my mail ID. wd.find_element by Xpath I am giving password and clicking on login button. Today concept is I want to work with Google. Sorry, Gmail. If you want to work with Gmail, so similar, just here is we have extra line. Here we need write extra line. Copy. After entering Control V. So this is the next button. I am giving a next button Xpath. I know Xpath. So but still I will give you. Go to Mozilla Firefox. I want to work with Gmail application. I want to work with Gmail application. Activate the Webdriver. I am giving username, email, copy, Control V. Next, we need to give the next button. After giving the next button, it is moving to next page. So I am taking only Xpath only. I am taking Xpath only. So it is moving to next page. So it will take some time. So in between we should write wait statement. What is wait statement? Thread dot sleep. I am giving 3000 seconds. That means 3000 milliseconds. That means it is a 3 seconds. Add throws declaration. I want to give password. Activate. Copy. Control V. I need to click on sign in button. Activate. Control V. So directly using Xpath we can work with the application. Sir, already Xpath we are using. What is the use of property file? So reusability purpose. If you want to use reusable, so that time you will use property file. What is the main use? You can get it to today concept. That is property file concept. Property file concept not yet started. Not yet started. As you entered. So this is Gmail. Entered into Gmail. So actually my account is disabled. So number of times every time I'm using this mail ID only. That's the reason. So now I don't want to use Xpath. I want to use any property. So each and every web element having not only Xpath, each and every web element having some properties. So email. So this is the Xpath. So highlighted one line that is input ID property. Type email property, email and name email and just we have three properties. Now I want to use ID property. Copy. So I want to give only email. Next button. Password. Enough. So we can take the ID property. In the place of Xpath, we should mention ID. 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 Save. Click on done. I'm giving ID properties, not Xpath. If you know ID, we can get Xpath. If you know Xpath, we can guess ID. So it is very simple. If you know ID, we can get or we can guess Xpath. If you know Xpath, we can guess or guess ID. Right. It is logging. Right. This is the one way. Directly we are giving the properties in the main test. Directly we are giving them properties in main test. This is the one way. Directly we are giving the properties in main test. This is one way. Next, second way is we need to create the property file. How to create the property file? How to create the property file? So how to create the property file we will discuss. So right click on package, right click on package. If you are not taking any package, right click on default package. Go to new, go other, general, madam.
Hello, sir.
Are you there, ma?
Yes, sir. I'm listening.
Just concentrate, ma. So how to create the property file? Right, once again I will show you. Right click on default package, go to new, other, general, file, click on next, give the file name, and giving the file name is Akhil. Click on finish. So here I am giving the properties. A equal to, I know, email. That ID is email. Next B equal to, ID is next. I know. Direct I'm writing. If you don't know, each and every time you need to go to application and you need to copy and paste here. But I know password. I'm saving with alias names. SIGN. sign in. Save. I created one property file. I give properties in the property file. I give properties in the property file. That file path we need to copy. Just go to right click on property file. Just go to properties. Copy the property file path. Copy. Apply. Okay. Just copy the path. Come to Webdriver. So now here you should write only 2 more lines extra. Properties p equal to new properties. Properties p equal new properties. File input stream. FIS equal to new file input stream. Just give the path of the property file path. I know path. So whenever you are mentioning the property file path, compulsory we should just you should remember if it is Java or Selenium, if you want to import the data or export the data, we should use double backslash, double slash, double slash, double slash, double slash, anywhere. Next, here we should write p dot load FIS. Just import the statements, properties, properties, file input stream, file input stream, add filter any change, filter no, file outputs no, that is. So after writing the code, it will show you underline. So we should add some throws. File not found exception, add throws declaration, IO exception. So I gave with alias names. So in the place of here, we should write a p dot get property a p dot get property b p dot get property c d. Save, click on run. It is working. So if you want to work with any application, there are 3 ways. One is Xpath, second one is directly we can give the property in the main test, third one is property file creation. So which one is easy, ma? First one, second one is third one.
First one only.
Xpath directly. Idea also directly we can give, madam. Here is there is no need. No need to take Xpath. Directly we can give the ID. So you can
Sir,
choose.
this property file, like
Just we
there are so many classes in the package, right? Like
are,
how for other classes if we want to give, how to give in the
We
same
can
file?
here see this package. This project name is this. I'm right click on package. So if it is
Yeah.
any classes, if it is in the anywhere in the package, we can use that information.
Oh, anywhere?
Anywhere in the package. Only anywhere in the package. If it is another package, if it is under another package, we can't identify.
Mhm.
For example, I'm
If we
going to
want to
SRC.
use,
I'm taking the new package. The package name is pack one. For example, pack one I'm taking. Click on finish.
uh,
So this is the different package.
okay, we can't use that file in this, right?
Yes, that is different package.
And if we
That's the
want to
reason.
use
That's the reason I
for,
mentioned to right click on default package. I mentioned to right click on default package. So if you are taking package, just right click on package. If you are not taking package, just if you you need to right click on default package.
ఓకే. అదే మనం ఫేస్‌బుక్‌కి యూజ్ చేయాలంటే ఎలా మళ్ళీ అదే
Once again, you need
ఫైలా? లేకుంటే
uh,
ఇంకోటి క్రియేట్
once again
చేయాలా?
you need to create the property file and you need to give the name.
No, same file we can use it.
Yeah, just we need to change the information. So if it is Facebook, there is no need of next button. Remove it. So email, just go and get the properties. Facebook, go to properties, facebook.com. So that's the reason. So reusability. What is the main use? Reusability.
But for whole package, for all classes, only one property file we can use.
Which one? Once again, repeat it.
No, for a whole package, there are so many classes, right, in
Oh
that?
yes, you can create number of the number of property files and we can.
Okay.
So here I'm taking property. Input ID, email. Just change email. So copy. I want to work with Facebook. Just here we should mention email. Yeah, email. So go and get the.
సార్ అలా కాదు సార్. అలా అది ముందుది అలానే ఉండి ఇంకో ప్రాపర్టీ ఫైల్ క్రియేట్ చేయొచ్చా?
Yeah, you can create in any another file for another application.
ఓకే. అది కొంచెం చూపిస్తారా ఎలా?
Okay. You want to create another file in the
Property
same package.
file,
Okay.
the same
So
package for another application.
delete. Click on OK. Right. I'm going to default package. Take the new other file. Click on next. Okay, one. Click
Oh,
on
another
finish.
name. Okay.
The key A equal to E, B equal to right. Save.
అది పాత్ చేంజ్ చేయాలి.
No, no,
అక్కి
no.
వన్.
I can do it, madam. I can go to SRC, take the new class FB. Keep the published requirement. Click on finish. Control V. Just we should change the path. So Aki one only. Just we should change Aki one. Right, ma? If you have any doubt, just go and right click properties src AkhilReddy.
That means for each application we have to create separate file,
Yes, madam.
right? Sir?
Yes,
For
madam.
each application. Okay. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Site name I didn't change.
రియల్ టైమ్ లో ఎలా చేయాలి సార్? ఆ ఫస్ట్ మెథడా సెకండా లేకుంటే ఇలా చేస్తారా?
Different companies they will follow different ways, madam. If it is USA, all the companies they are using property files only. Now I am giving nearly 2 to 3 members work support also. So every time they are using property file only. Some people they are using Xpath only, madam.
Okay.
Some people they are using different names, madam, different types. So it is not identifying ID. Which one? A B C. Aki one. A B C. No. ID is not taking. Today morning it worked first Xpath only. Right now it is working or not. We can check it. So if it is any changes, no need to change the script. Just we will go to property file and we will do change. That is the use of property file.
సార్ హియర్ పేజ్ ఇస్ నాట్ చేంజింగ్ రైట్, బట్ థ్రెడ్ డాట్ స్లీప్ ఉండాలా లేకుంటే?
No need.
ఓకే.
Yes.
ఎస్.
Today morning, yesterday already I shown you. I have taken inside Xpath. Got it? Stop record mode first.